is going to be cooking with Terese. Last week she prepared curry chicken with potatoes, fried potatoes. What is she preparing this morning? Terese, it's your time.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Terese, coming to you from Chicago. Today we're going to be making chicken coconut peanut sauce. Let's come back and talk about the things that will be going in our dish today. For this dish, we will need chicken. I'll be using chicken breast today. I have my chicken breast cut in manageable sizes, marinated in a pinch of salt. Green peppers, garlic, ginger, habanero hot pepper, that's optional. Onion, oil. I have my pureed spices that comprise of some red pepper, garlic, ginger, habanero hot pepper, onion, leeks, and celery. We will also need coconut milk. About a can for 2 pounds of chicken is okay. I also have baked peanut, and we will also need some curry powder for color, 1 to 2 bouillon cubes, and a pinch of salt. Let's get this cooking going. Warm up about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or canola oil and add your chicken. Brown your chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and check. Our chicken has been simmering here for about 4 minutes. Let's give it another 2 minutes and then bring in our spices. This is what our chicken looks like at this point. It is time to add our spices. Now that we have all our spices in, I'll stir and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then we'll come back and chat. Our chicken has been simmering for about 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like at this point. I love that slight yellow color. It's time to add our coconut milk and pureed peanuts. Remember, because I did bake my peanuts, they are already cooked. We'll add that and let it simmer for 5 minutes. This is what our sauce looks like at this point. It is time to add our sliced green peppers. Once I add the sliced green peppers, I'll let it simmer for about a minute, and then we'll come back and check. Our chicken coconut peanut sauce is cooked. Let's come back and serve. Well, folks, we are all done. Today we made chicken coconut peanut sauce. This is a very healthy sauce that can be served with quinoa, plantains, brown rice, or steamed sweet potatoes. Let's take a closer look. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at Cooking with Terese, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Cooking with Terese. Remember, eating healthy does not have to be boring. Bye bye, and see you next time.